Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear student, welcome to Pakistan International School, Taif Virtual Learning System. I am your teacher, Rab Niwas. Today, the topic is multiple choice question, MCQs. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. Number one, a car need dash to make it work. A car need dash to make it work. Option A, food, B, fuel, C, meat. There are three options: A, food, B, fuel, C, meat. The right option is fuel. A car need fuel to make it work. Number two, fuel gives the car dash to move. Fuel gave the car dash to move. Option A, energy, B, food, C, water. Option A, energy, B, food, C, water. The right option is energy. Fuel gave the car energy. Fuel gave the car energy to move. Number three, food gives us energy to work dash. Food gave us energy to work dash. Option A, think, B, play, C, all of these. Option A, thinks, B, play, C, all of these. The right option is all of these. It means thinks and play, both all of these. Food gave us energy to work all of these things and play. Number four, eating fresh food is dash for us. Eating fresh food is dash for us. Option A, bad, B, good, C, unhealthy. Option A, bad, B, good, C, unhealthy. The right option is good. Eating fresh food is good for us. Eating fresh food is good for us. Number five, we need to exercise our body. Dash. We need to exercise our body needs. Option every day, twice a day, once a week. Option A, every day, B, twice a day, C, once a week. Right option is every day. We need to exercise our body every day. We need to exercise our bodies every day. Number six, we need to keep our bodies dash. We need to keep our bodies dash. Option A, dirty, B, clean, C, none of these. Option A, dirty, B, clean, C, none of these. The right option is clean. We need to keep our body clean. We need to keep our body clean. Option number 7. Question number 7. Dash 7 dash sink in water. Dash sink in water. Option A, leaf. B, paper. C, potato. Option A, leaf. B, paper. C, potato. The right option is potato. Potato. Potato sink in water. Potato sink in water. Number 8, dash float in water. Number 8, dash float in water. Option A, leaf. B, potato. C, egg. Option A, leaf. B, potato. C, egg. The right option is leaf. Leaf float in water. Leaf float in water. Number 9. The weather changed from dash. The weather changed from dash. Option weekly to weekly. Number B, day to day. C, monthly to monthly. Option A, weekly to weekly. B, day to day. C, monthly to monthly. The right option is day to day. The weather changes from day to day. The weather changes from day to day. Number 10. When the sun shines brightly, then the weather is dash. When the sun shines brightly, then the weather is dash. Option A, warm. B, cold. C, rainy. Option A, warm. B, cold. C, rainy. The right option is warm. When the sun shines brightly, then the weather is warm. When the sun shines brightly, then the weather is warm. 11. When the weather is cold, people wear dash. When the weather is cold, people wear dash. Option light clothes. B, warm clothes. C, normal. Option A, light clothes. B, warm clothes. C, normal. The right option is warm clothes. When the weather is cold, people wear warm clothes. When the weather is cold, people wear warm clothes. Number 12. We use electricity to dash our home. We use electricity to dash our home. Option A, light. B, dark. C, none of these? Option A, light. B, dark. C, none of these. The right option is light. We use electricity to light our home. We use electricity to light our home. We use electricity to light our home. Then number 13, the traffic signal work with the help of dash. The traffic signal work with the help of dash. Number A, fuel. B, policeman. C, electricity. Option A, fuel. B, policeman. C, electricity. The right option is electricity. The traffic signal work with the help of electricity. The traffic signal work with the help of electricity. Number 14. Electricity has made our lives dash. Electricity has made our lives dash. Uneasy. B, difficult. C, easy. A, uneasy. B, difficult. C, easy. The right option is easy. Electricity has made our lives easy. Electricity has made our lives easy. Number 15, pushes and pull are dash. Pushes are pull are dash. Option forces, chips, games. Option forces, B, chips, C, games. The right option is A, forces. Right option is forces. Pushes and pull are forces. Pushes and pull are forces. Number 16, we use dash to press our clothes. We use dash to press our clothes. Option A, washing machine. B, iron. C, oven. Option A, washing machine. B, iron. C, oven. The right option is iron. The right option is iron. We use iron to press our clothes. We use iron to press our clothes. Number 17, we need dash to work. We need dash to work. Option A, electricity. B, light. C, energy. Option A, electricity. B, light. C, energy. The right option is energy. We need energy. We need energy to work. We need energy to work. Number 18, fresh food is dash for us. Fresh food is dash for us. The option A, good, B, bad, C, none of these. Option A, good, B, bad, C, none of these. The right option is good. The right option is good. Fresh food is good for us. Fresh food is good for us. Allah Hafiz.